Thirikari kugerera mwaria wayo Isaac Mwaura yugite negathite icoka ciayo bara-ini ya kũũraga na ndawa cia kũrebia ikiuga ndawa njĩkĩrĩre mũkana cia mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 8.2 nĩ irĩkĩtie kũhithũkio. Mwaura oho augite ng'aragu iria ikoretwo ikihutia makiri ma Kenya milioni 3. Thirikari nĩ ĩhũthĩrĩte makiria ma bilioni 6 harĩ kunyagia irio kuri andu o hamwe na mahiũ. Oho maugite milioni itanyihĩire 778.5 nĩ ihũthĩkĩte gũteithĩrĩria family itanyihĩire 131 iria ihutĩtio nĩ ng'aragu.
The government has shut down illegal online distribution channels, launched a nationwide crackdown on unlicensed pharmaceutical outlets, and initiated reforms towards establishment of dedicated drug courts to fast-track prosecution of high-level traffickers and offenders. The government is therefore fully prepared to support farmers to secure national food production through distribution of certified seeds, subsidized fertilizers and livestock feeds, water tracking and borehole rehabilitation. We are strengthening immediate resilience while positioning the country for improved harvest. The government urges all farmers to promptly prepare the land and plant high-yield, climate-resilient crops and adopt sustainable agricultural practices to maximize this season's opportunity.